In today's video, we will be looking at the DeepCool RF120M fan kit. So this video is just an unboxing of these fans, and then I'll have them installed in a PC, and then we'll just see what they look like, and you can kind of make your own decisions of whether you want to buy these or not. Now this fan kit is a kit of 5 fans which are all RGB, using the 12-volt header on your motherboard, or they just can be powered by the SATA connection instead. So the design of the fans is basically like the main RGB part is in the middle. They're not like a ring sort of fan where you have the RGB just on the outside, and then you have the black actual blades, as you know, the blade fans are all black, but these blade fans are actually the LED blade fans, and then the actual outer ring is just black. So I think that's quite a nice design there. So all the fans are PWM design, so you will be able to daisy chain them all together using the 4-pin fan connector. There's actually a fan controller. In fact, there's actually 2 fan controllers in here, and they power off the SATA connection. So you just need to connect up your SATA connector and your power supply, and then put the fan hub in the back of your PC, and then obviously fit your fans, and then you're away to go. Now, I paid only about £20 on Amazon UK, as this was a Prime deal. On Prime Day, I think I got it on the 12th of July. 5 RGB fans for around about the £20 mark. I wasn't going to pass up on them, especially as they're from a good brand like DeepCool. Without further ado, let's move on to the unboxing. So this is the little box with all the accessories. A little instruction manual here on the top, telling you how to connect the fans and everything. And then we have our 5 fans all beneath there. So let's pull them all out. So each individual fan, as I said, has the LEDs all around the fan blades rather than the outside of the fan. So each fan comes with a PWM fan connector. This is to power the actual fan itself. And then it also has a daisy chained RGB connector as well. So you can connect multiple connections, multiple fans up all in one go into the controller, and then you're away. So let's move on to the accessory box now. Got there eventually. We have one fan controller which can fit 4 fans on, and then the other controller can fit the 4 fans on as well. So yeah, I mean, if you are going to use 5, you are going to need 2 controllers, which is a little bit kind of funny, but it's just the way they've done it, unfortunately. So we have all the fan screws here. So you've got 5 sets of fan screws, so for your 5 fans, that's nice. And then we have obviously the cable that connects into your 12-pin RGB header on your motherboard. So a little mistake that I made just earlier where I said it's SATA powered, but it isn't. There isn't actually any SATA power at all. So each fan hub connects into your PWM header on your motherboard to give it power, and then you just connect up the you daisy chain all the RGB connectors to each other, and then you connect it with the cable here into your 12-pin RGB header. I'm going to take one of the fans here, and then we just plug it in here. There we go. Probably what I would do is I'd probably just connect 4 fans to the one controller, and then probably just leave the other controller out. I mean, it just seems a bit odd that they've kind of done it with only 4 fans per controller, and they haven't put just a 5-fan controller in, but it's the way they've done it. But yeah, overall, I think it does look a nice kit. Like I said, here's the fan for a bit of a closer view. So, as they're PWM as well, you'll get full control in your motherboard software or your BIOS to have full control of what speed you want these to go at, and you can set like fan curves and what have you, so you can obviously have them low when the computer's not very, under small load and under a little load, and then when there's a bigger load on your PC, obviously they can ramp up a bit more. So I'm going to just install this into a case now. I'll probably just do the 4 fans, I think, rather than the 5 of them, just because it's going to be easier with the controller to fit in just the 4. I hope you liked that little overview of the DeepCool RF120M 5 RGB fan kit. Like I said, this kit's around about sort of 25 to sometimes £30 on Amazon. I got it for a good deal, but it can be a little bit more expensive, just so you know. It might even be around 35. There's usually vouchers and that, so if you do want to pick them up, then obviously take a look. I can link them in the description as well, so you can go there. Now, I didn't get time to change all the colours and what have you because of the angle of where the computer was and what have you, but it's perfectly fine. So yeah, I hope you like this little unboxing of the DeepCool RF120M 5 RGB fan set. Please like the video to help the algorithm, and please subscribe if you want to see future content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.